Today we're here in our kitchen, and Owen's acting like he ate jelly beans all day. Okay, and then Mommy's making what's it called?
If you can't say it, then you can't eat it.
Well, as you can see, she's cutting yam. Just tell us what the name is.
Dundu and dodo. So it's fried yam, well, actually more like yam fries and fried plantain. And we're gonna make stewed eggs with fish. It's gonna be so good.
Okay. What are you doing? Did you eat jelly beans? And not and
Yummy's putting her bitten graham crackers.
so this is what happens every day you're not here. Yummy chases Owen with wait, what is it? A bitten graham cracker while he runs away in fear. Little sibling. So now she is frying the yam in little fry-like pieces, and then soon after she's gonna start the plantain. Oh, and what wait, what's the word?
What word? Dundu?
No. I'm talking about what country it's from. What's the
What country are we from?
let the viewers guess. Can you take a wild guess? Now she's starting the plantain.
Otherwise it won't be sweet.
Yeah. What are you doing? I don't even know what a tomboy is.
Tomboy like a boy.
Do you want to act like a boy, Yummy?
Yes.
Are you sure? Then you can't play with your princess and your piggy and your doll.
I'm not
You can't play with any of your toys.
I'm not sure.
You don't want to be a tomboy, right?
No.
See? See, chase Owen, okay? Chase him. Would you stop? Okay, stop. Okay, we already know that you don't want to be a tomboy, so stop chasing Owen, please.
Okay.
So now so you know how she said stewed egg? Now this is the stewed egg, this is the yam fries. These are the completed yam fries.
Just wanna know how I got here?
How did you get here?
Well, so there in the fridge I had some previously made stew. So I just added that into a fry pan. I added some onions to it. I'm gonna let that cook together for a little bit. I'm gonna add some spices, and once the onions are soft enough, I'm gonna add some sardines and then add the eggs.
Wait. Were the sardines meant to be the fish?
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's not the healthiest meal I've made, but every family deserves a little soul food every now and then. That's what this is.
Little yellow food that you should eat once in a while. That you should eat once in a
More
while.
like red food, actually.
How is yam red food? Well, yams.
It's calorie dense, so it's red and it's fried.
Yeah. In like a cup of oil.
Yeah, we're not eating the oil.
I know. But the oil has calories too. It's 120 calories.
Per what?
Per teaspoon?
Yep.
Wow.
No, tablespoon. Per tablespoon.
Okay. Now she added in the eggs to the egg. And she's putting more yam fries in. Did you add the sardines in?
Yeah.
Okay. Now it looks like, well, it kind of does look like an unfinished pot of unfinished eggs. That's what it's supposed to look like.
Yeah.
Okay, so, would you like to do the honors and tell them, what,
Nationality the food is from?
yeah, nationality.
Nigerian.
Mm-hmm. The yam fries, the eggs, and the plantain. Still in the fryer. So now, we have the food here. The egg, the yam, the plantain, the fish. And now we're gonna start eating. This food is so delicious. So delicious. It's like ice cream. Not like ice cream. But it's not cold though. Something you want to say to the viewers? Please like and subscribe to this video. Yummy?
Please subscribe to this video.
Bye!